I did it, you will do it. Let's make this money together. Yo, welcome to another daily video. My name is David Isamuji. I'm the owner and founder of What a T-Shirt Design. In this video, we're going to be creating a Canva T-shirt design. As you already know, we've already made about 47 episodes already. That's a lot. This channel just started about a month ago, so you know that's a lot. 2 months, let's say 2 months. February is coming to an end, so that's 2 months. So please, if you want to learn how to design t-shirts that sell and you want to learn how to make money passively from t-shirts, from print on demand, please watch my video. If you've not subscribed and you're just watching for the first time, I will advise you to subscribe. Like my logo, my team, my everything says, I did it, you will do it, we must make this money together. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to today's video and let's open canva.com. I'll be using canva.com to design this. My motto is, I did it, you will do it, we, both of us, yes, you on the other side, we must make this money together. So without wasting much of time, just click on create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400 pixel. As you can see, it must be pixel, not any other, not inch, not millimeter, not centimeter, pixel. And create new, just wait for it to load. Make sure you watch this video to the end if you are on this video to learn. If you're not on this video to learn, fine. If you're not on this video to make money from print on demand from sites like Redbubble, Teespring, TeePublic, then fine. But if you're on this video to learn, I always advise you watch these videos to the very end. Don't just watch it halfway and leave it. Watch it, and if you want to help someone, share it, like, leave a comment, and it's a win-win. So without wasting much of the time, we just go to upload. Click on upload an image or video. So now we just look for NY. See, this is my design. You can see, just wait for it to load here. It's going to show here. It's going to show. As you can see, it's loading. This was something I did in okay, I'll talk about that at the end, but I did it myself. If you know you want to learn, please, and please, I've said it about the third time now, watch it to the very end. These are all my designs from the past. If you check my videos, you'll see I have this up on my channel already. These are designs I've done in the past. So just go ahead, watch a lot. That's after this video. Watch this video first. Don't worry, at the end of this video you get the playlist to this other one so you can watch it. So you can see I just clicked on it and it appeared here after it was done loading. So I just clicked on it and it appeared here. So the next step I want to do is increase it a bit. I'll just increase it a bit. So now we have that. So the next step now is to add our text. To add our text under this. So to do that, I'll just click on text. I'll click on text. I'll click on text and just find the word. So you can see this was the one I clicked on and it has some extras. So I'll just make it bigger. Just make it bigger. Note, you can see it has some extra words which I don't want. So to remove that or delete that, I'll come to ungroup, click on this empty space, click on this, delete, click on this, and I'll delete that. So I'm left with this. So I'll just double tap to highlight all. It's gonna say N. So I'll make that bigger again. Make that bigger. Just make that bigger. It's gonna say N. Then I'll duplicate this layer. To do that, I'll press my Alt key button, my left mouse click button, and drag. You can see. So you can see that. So I'll do that again. my Alt key button, my left mouse click button, and I'll drag again. As you can see, we just drag it to this one. So this one is going to say sorry, I'll just have to remove that for the meantime. NY, it's going to be NYC. That's it. So now we have the three it says NYC. So the next step would be, if you don't want it on a black shirt, if you don't want it to appear on a black shirt, you can leave it like this. But if you are going to do it for a black shirt, then it's advisable you change this color. So I can just come change that color, just change that color. Just change that color to something in this range. It's going NYC. I'll do it for the N. Do it for the N. As you can see, it's giving me a lot of problems and I don't want that, so just gonna highlight all and change all. And that's part of the reason I love Photoshop more, but with this I'm gonna get a lot of issues which I don't want. So just change this to different color. Just change it to a different color. So I have to do it like this now, just to make sure you get a different color for this. Now that we have that, we'll just bring this back here. As you can see, lot of unnecessary problems, and that's what you get when you don't have total control. You don't have total control. But you can see now we have this. I'm just gonna make this So now we have it. So the next step is just to download. As you can see, the free version of Canva you can download with the white background. So if you stick along, I'll show you how to do that with Photoshop, how to remove the background of Photoshop. So I'll just click on download. As you can see, it's downloading. And now if we go ahead to find it, we should see it. Always make sure you do this step so that you don't have a misplaced design. Make sure it's saved and ready. So now as you can see, we have it here. So just right click, open with Photoshop. This step is for those that don't have Photoshop, and for those that don't have Canva Pro and need to remove the white background, because you need to remove the white background if you want to place this on a black shirt and other colors of shirt. If you just want to place it on a white shirt, fine. If you want to place it on a white mug, fine. white sticker, fine, but if you want to place on other colors, you need to do this step. So I'll click on this folded paper to create a new layer. I've done that. Then I'll click on this. I'll come to my magic word tool. That's this tool. It's called the magic word tool. Click on it. Click on the white. It has highlighted that. I'll just delete. As you can see, it has deleted the white, but it's still much available in the letters. So I'll click on that, delete. I'll click on that and I'll delete. I'll click on that and I will delete. So now that we've done that, we can just now save it to be uploaded on Redbubble and the rest. So I'll just save it, save as picture NYC. I'll save it as PNG. Save. Yeah, because I already had a design in that name, so I'll change it yes and OK. So now to your right you can see the playlist. Make sure you watch those playlists if you don't want to miss out on other videos. You can go to my channel and you see a Redbubble tag video. Make sure you watch that too. So to the right you see the playlist for the t-shirt design. Make sure you watch at least 10 and you should get familiar with designs and all. So I'll see you tomorrow. Love you. One love.